Well, hello there. Gather round, if you please. Today we have something rather special to discuss. It's a new chap on the block, a bright spark in the ever-dazzling world of artificial intelligence. This clever creation is named Claude. He, or perhaps it hails from a company called Anthropic. They're quite the thinkers, focusing on AI that is helpful, honest and harmless. Claude is in essence a writing assistant, but it's so much more than just a spell checker with grand ideas. It's a partner in prose, a collaborator in composition. The arrival of Claude is quite the event. It's like a promising new author publishing their debut novel. There's a buzz, an anticipation. People are curious. Can it truly help us write better, faster, or perhaps even more imaginatively? The boffins at Anthropic certainly believe so. They've poured an immense amount of research and care into Claude. The aim is to provide a tool that genuinely understands language. Not just words, mind you, but the nuance, the context, the very spirit of what one wishes to convey. This is no mere automaton churning out text. It's designed to be a thoughtful digital companion for all your writing adventures. Think of the possibilities for a moment. Claude offers a friendly hand, a gentle nudge to get those creative gears turning. It's built to assist, to augment human creativity, not to replace it. Now let's delve into what makes Claude so wonderfully approachable. First impressions count, even with artificial intelligence, and Claude makes a splendid one. Its user interface is a masterpiece of simplicity. You see, some technology can be rather intimidating. All those buttons and menus, like the cockpit of a spaceship. Claude, however, is different. It's designed to be intuitive. You can start a conversation, ask it to write something, or feed it a document with remarkable ease. It's as straightforward as chatting with a colleague. A very, very clever colleague, of course. One of Claude's most talked about features is its long context handling. Long context, you say? What on earth is that? Well, imagine you're writing a rather lengthy report, or perhaps a detailed story with many characters and plot twists. Other AI tools might get a bit muddled. They might forget what was said on page 1 by the time you get to page 20. Claude, however, has a rather prodigious memory. It can process and remember vast amounts of information. The world of AI writing assistants is bustling. We have ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. So what makes Claude special? Developed by Anthropic, Claude focuses on safety and understanding. It's designed to avoid harmful, misleading, or biased content. Claude's long context window is a significant advantage. It processes and recalls extensive texts accurately. This thoughtful approach sets Claude apart. Section 4 Claude at your service, from polished prose to creative capers. Right then, we've established that Claude is clever, user-friendly, and has a memory like an elephant, but what can one actually with it? The practical applications are wonderfully diverse. Let's start with something many of us grapple with: writing blog posts. You might have a brilliant idea, but structuring it, finding the right tone, and ensuring it's engaging can be tricky. Claude can help you brainstorm topics, create outlines, draft entire sections, or even polish your existing text. It can adapt its style to be formal, informal, witty, or serious, all based on your guidance. Next up, the ubiquitous email. Oh, the emails. We send so many. Crafting the perfect professional response, a persuasive sales pitch, or even a delicate personal message can take time and mental energy. Claude can be an invaluable assistant here. Provide it with the context and your desired outcome, and it can draft a clear, concise, and effective email. It can help you strike the right tone, ensuring your message is received exactly as intended. This can free up an enormous amount of time, allowing you to focus on other important tasks. Imagine email drudgery significantly reduced, but Claude isn't just for the serious business-like stuff, oh no. Section 5, a hearty recommendation why Claude is poised to transform your words. So, there we have it, Claude from Anthropic, a remarkable AI writing assistant, wouldn't you say? User-friendly, handling long contexts with ease. Thoughtfully designed, emphasizing safety and helpfulness. It stands out with its principled approach and technical prowess, a compelling choice for individuals and businesses alike. Claude delivers on its promise, time and time again.